Welcome back again to the online math class. Previous day we have done up to question number 9 or 10 of exercise 7.3. Shreya, you have done the class previous day. Please tell me, we have done up to which one? 9. Okay. So, from question number 10, we will solve today. That means integration sine to the power 4x. Question number 10. Up to 9 it is done. So, integration sine to the power 4x dx. So, you also do it, Shreya, in your copy. It is taken as 1 by 2, then integration 2 sine to the power 4x dx. Welcome, Payal. Just take it 1 by 4, okay? Take 1 by 4. 1 by 4, then integration. Yes, good afternoon. 1 by 4 integration 4 sine to the power 4 x dx. Okay. Now, it can be written as 2 sine square x whole square. 1 by 4 integration 2 sine square x whole square dx. Now, 2 sine square x means 1 minus cos 2x. From the formula of multiple angle of class 11, it is 1 minus cos 2x the whole square. Okay. Is it done, this portion? Can I erase the board? Can I erase the board? Shreya and Payal response, yes. That means 1 by 4 integration 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus cos square 2x, a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. That means just separate them into 3 integrals. 1 by 4 integration dx minus 2 by 4 integration cos 2x dx plus 1 by 4 integration cos square 2x dx. Okay. So, first two integral will be solved. First two integration can be solved, but for the last portion we have to do one more manipulation. Yes, Yata, welcome. That means take again 1 by 2, that means 1 by 8 integration 2 cos square 2x dx. That means 1 by 4 integration dx minus 1 by 2 integration cos 2x dx plus 1 by 8 integration 1 plus cos 4x. That is the formula. 2 cos square 2x means 1 plus cos 4x. Okay. Now do the integration. 1 by 4, that means x by 4, after doing the integration, x by 4 minus sine 2x by 2, and again there is a half, so sine 2x by 4 plus x by 8 plus sine 4x by 32, because there is a 1 by 8 outside the integration. Okay. Is it done? Is it done? Is it done? Now we can add x by 4 plus x by 8. It will give you 3x by 8. So 3x by 8, you can write it 3x by 8 minus sine 2x by 4 plus sine 4x by 32 plus c. Okay, can you see the board properly? Can you see the board properly? Okay, very good. So question number 10 is done. Any queries regarding question number 10? Question number 10 is done. Any queries regarding this one? Any queries? Any queries? Student response. Any queries regarding? No. Okay, very good. So move on to question number 11. That is cos to the power 4 2x. You also do it in your copy, and if it is possible, then take a peek and send me. I'll check it out here. Question number 11. Integration cos to the power 4 2x dx. That is very similar to the previous one. Again, take 1 by 4 outside the integration. It will make it 1 by 4 integration 4 cos to the power 4 2x dx. Okay. Then it will be 1 by 4 integration 2 cos square 2x whole square dx. 2 cos square 2x whole square 2 cos square 2x whole square dx. Okay. Now it will be 1 by 4 integration from the formulas of multiple angle. It will be 1 plus cos 4x whole square dx. Okay. Then 1 by 4 integration, break the square, whole square. So 1 plus 2 cos 4x plus cos square It is 1 by 4 integration 1 plus 2 cos 4x plus cos square 4x dx. Okay. Now I am erasing the upper portion. Yes, Shreya, wait, I am doing the in the board. If it is possible, then send me the peek of your copy. I am erasing the upper portion. Next, I am separating it 1 by 4 integration dx plus 1 by 2 integration cos 4x dx plus 1 by 4 integration cos square 4x dx. Okay. That means 1 by 4 integration dx, I am not doing it yet, plus 1 by 2 integration cos 4x dx, and the last portion again we will take a half, that means 1 by 8 integration 2 cos square 4x dx. So 1 by 4 integration dx plus 1 by 2 integration cos 4x dx plus 1 by 8 integration 1 plus cos 8x dx. Okay. Now Now do the integration. It is x by 4, the first term. Next one 1 by 2 sine 4x by 4, that means sine 4x by 8 plus x by 8 plus sine 8x by 64 plus c. Okay, now add the portion x by 4 and x by 8, that will make you 3x by 8. So 3x by 8 plus sine 4x by 8. Yes, Shreya, your answer is correct. Very good. Where are the rest of the guys? Response. Payal, Srijata, and sine 8x by 64 plus c. Okay, so that's our question number 11. Now move on to question number 12. Is it done? Is it done? Any queries regarding this one? Any queries regarding this one? Any queries regarding this one? Okay. So question number 12. That is integration sine square x by 1 plus cos x. Dx. Okay. So sine square x means it can be written as 1 minus cos square x by 1 plus cos x. That means 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. 1 plus cos x will be cancelled out. That means integration dx minus integration cos x dx. That means x minus sin x plus c. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Is it done? Any queries, any question, ask me. Any question, any queries, ask me. Where is Shreya? Your response? I got the response of Srijata and Payal. Yes, response. Okay, so move on to the next one. Question number 13. Cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha question number 13 I am doing here. Cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by I am doing 13. I am doing question number 13. Shreya, yet to be done. Okay. I am doing here. Wait. By cos x minus cos alpha. Just break the formula, cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d for both denominator and numerator. Break it. Cos c minus cos d. Two sin d plus c by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. That means it will be 2 sin 2 into alpha plus x by 2 into alpha minus x by 2. Okay, got it? Again 2 sin alpha plus x by 2 into sin alpha minus x by 2. 2 is cancel out here. Okay. Note down in your copies. Here I am telling you step by step. Then break sin, that is sin alpha plus x into sin alpha minus x by sin alpha plus x by 2 into sin alpha minus x by 2. Okay. Yes, very good. You know the formula, so cos c minus cos d, 2 sin d plus c by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. Okay, you know it. Can I erase the board? Yes, very good. I am erasing the board. Now break the numerator in the formula sin theta equals to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. In this formula, sin theta equals to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Formula of sum multiple angle. Okay, formula of sum multiple angle. That means integration 2 sin alpha plus x by 2 into cos alpha plus x by 2 into sin alpha minus x by 2 into cos alpha minus x by 2 divided by sin alpha plus x by 2 into sin alpha minus x by 2. So sin alpha plus x by 2 and sin alpha minus x by 2 will be cancelled out from both denominator and numerator. So it will be 4 into integration cos alpha plus x by 2 into cos alpha minus x by 2. So we can write it in the form 2 integration 2 cos A cos B. Integration 2 cos A cos B, that means 2 cos alpha plus x by 2 into cos alpha minus x by 2. What is the formula of 2 cos A cos B? The formula of 2 cos A cos B, what is the formula of 2 cos A cos B? 2 cos A cos B means 2 cos A cos B cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. That is the formula. You know that? You know this formula? Yes, use it. So 2 integration cos A plus B. A plus B means it will be cos alpha plus cos A minus B. That means the alpha portion will cancel out, that is cos x. So 2 integration cos alpha plus cos x. Have you got it? Yes, 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 very good. So using that formula we get here 2 integration cos alpha plus cos x. Have you got it? Have you got it? Okay. So what is the last line? The last line will be here 2 cos alpha integration dx. Cos alpha is the constant, alpha is the constant, so cos alpha will be the constant, you know that, plus 2 integration cos x dx. That means 2x cos alpha plus 2 sin x plus c. Is it done? 2x cos alpha plus 2 sin x plus c. Here the alpha is a constant, so cos alpha will be similarly a constant. So it will be coming out from the integration sign. Yes. So 2 cos alpha integration dx plus 2 integration cos x dx. So finally we got here 2x cos alpha plus 2 sin x plus c. So up to question number 13 we have done. Any queries? Any queries? Okay. So we'll be back again here with a new class and we'll solve from question. Goodbye.